Okay, so today we're looking at this evaporative air cooler that was sent to me for review. This is a really cool thing. I've never actually used one of these before and didn't even know it existed. I know about swamp coolers and then just normal built-in air conditioners to houses. But this is super cool because it's small, it's portable, and it makes it colder than just a normal fan because it's evaporating air. Now, I've tried this out and I was amazed with how effective it was. It is a portable unit. The assembly's super easy. The only thing you get out of the box is the main unit and the wheels just you stick right on. So that's a piece of cake. And then you just plug it in. Now the cord's not super long, so you have to put your air cooler near a plug. But that's kind of the only hiccup that you're going to find with this. It's really cool. It does come with a remote control. And with the remote, you can set the wind, the speed, and the swing, and then make it cooler. And what that means is, well, let's go through all these one at a time. Wind, it has 3 modes. So, and you can hit the mode button on the actual unit itself. Mode will give you just the normal mode, like a nature mode, which means that the air will kind of alternate between fast and slow, kind of to stimulate the wind in nature. And then sleep mode's actually really similar to that, where the speeds just speed up and slow down, but it's a little more mellow than the nature mode. And it's just meant to simulate a breeze, that's kind of cool. Then with your speed, you've got low, medium, and high, and obviously it just depends on how cold you want your room, and so you can turn those up. And then you've got swing, which will make it shift directions. Now this button is the one that matters to me. It's cooler, and what that means, so this is what makes it different from a traditional air conditioner that will have all these different filters and take a lot of electricity. This uses a lot less energy, and it can do that because you're providing some of the cool. What you do is you take these little silicone, or not silicone, these little plastic containers. They have silicone in it, and you have to wash those out. But you take those containers, you fill it with water, and then you just stick it in the top. And there's a little compartment there, and you can fit 2 of them in. So you have this ice, and then you fill it with water. So you just pour water in the top, and it's going to come down, and it's going to show you how full it is. So fill this bottom basin first, and then it goes to the top. Now, the minimum amount, you'll put a gallon in. So you're probably going to look at 2 to 3 gallons of water. And then when you turn it on and you hit that cooler button, then it's going to use that ice, and it's going to circulate the ice through as it's evaporating the water. So the water is what it's using to cool the air. And so it has this cool technology where it uses the water that you pour in, and then if you add those ice packets, it makes it even cooler. And so it's really cool that this runs on water, but you have to provide your own water. And so this is something that you would have to restock every few days, depending on how much you use it. But then the ice makes it even cooler. So a unit like this would work really well in a small space, a small apartment, or a townhome, a dorm room, something like that. Or really anywhere where you don't have built-in air conditioning. This is an inexpensive solution to rapidly cool down whatever room you're in. So obviously it's not going to take care of a whole house, but it is going to keep you cool where you're at. So if you keep this in your bedroom to use it to sleep at night to keep things cold, that could be really good. Really cool unit. I wish I'd known about these earlier. This is really a cool product. Thanks. Bye.